What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of 780 Outdoors. Today it's gonna be me, Jerry, and Kevin heading east of town to a pea field to hunt some snow geese. I'm pretty excited about this one. These geese have been in this field for over 2 weeks, so we should be able to get a little bit of commitment out of them. Lately they kind of been pricks, so it's been tough, but I'm just going to pick Jerry up right now, meeting Kevin in the field. And we got about a 20-minute drive to the field. Beautiful out right now. It's like sunny and 8 degrees, a little bit of clouds. Should make for good conditions, so stay tuned, guys. Yeah, they've been in this field for 2 weeks, so it could be good. We might get a little commitment out of them. Nice. Kev's just pulling up. Yo, yo.
Hillside, let's set up there.
Yeah, that's where they all were. That's what I thought.
North wind, we'll sit up on just on the crest. Decoys down on the bottom, big spread up top.
Heck yeah.
Run. Hit you right there.
Okay, we're gonna go set up, get the spread put up, and then I'll give you a look at that. The spread set up. Working on this high ground here. She's starting to take shape.
If they do it again and they don't do it, we'll shoot them when they do that. These three do it, we're going to do it.
Yeah. Get ready.
Do it, boys.
Kill him. Nice shooting, boys.
See those other 4 coming?
That's okay. 3 on the deck, boys. Load up.
Those ones did 3.
Those ones were perfect. Did we fold those or what? Holy shites and boys. Well, boys, 5:16 and we got 3 on the ground.
More respect.
Oh, I know, they're just working beautifully. Oh, these would be so dead.
Oh my god. Flare right over top.
Not even flaring even.
No, they're set. On the right, I don't know what these are coming at us. Okay,
kill it.
He got hit triple tapped or
quadruple. We all hit him once and then you shot him on the way down. Need some wind.
The only other thing I might say is you should take down the flyers.
Like behind us. Live doing it right here.
The specs are eating it up hard, but that doesn't help us any. Something has to drop in here. Yeah.
There's are these snows? These two?
These 2 are snows.
Are they gonna come back?
They're gonna come back around.
Yeah, they are. Here they're coming low. These 2 on the left here, guys. Get ready. Coming low.
Yeah.
Straight in.
Yeah, right at me.
Can't see him. Kill him, boys. Kill him.
Good shooting. I didn't even pull the trigger. I love it.
Man, then we're right on the deck.
2 Rossies.
See, Jerry, this is how it's supposed to go.
Yeah, there's 2 more coming right in, 3. There's 1 right above us there.
Yeah. We see him.
2 right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Caught him.
Kill him.
Sorry, hey, that's probably loud on you guys.
No, that's all good. Load up.
Jerry was going to go for the left one.
Load up, boys. I seen you go right up at it.
That one's walking to the food.
Did we drop 3 there? 2.
Those 2 were coming right to the phones.
Those 2 are just hanging, eh? 2 locked on the left, coming straight in. Get ready, boys. These ones are dead.
You guys call it?
Yeah, I can see it. Just a sec. Kill him, boys, kill him. Say one.
I don't know where the one to the left.
Do it.
Wait.
Do it.
Do it now.
Good shot. Because I took all three at him and I think I hit him on the first one, but then he wasn't gonna die. Snow on the left. One single. Get ready, boys. You ready? You ready?
Wait for it. You're gonna keep coming. Kill him now. No, from the left.
Yeah. Gotta kill him.
Wait.
Do it. Load up. We got two of the three, boys. Man, those ones cut in on it. I didn't even shoot at this one. I shot at the... Are they gonna both be dead? Yeah, they're dead. So that's three more, eh?
Right here, right in front. There's a single smoke. I can't see him.
I can see them. Jerry.
Lock it up. Can't see him no more.
Okay.
Wherever you can kill him, Jerry.
Kill him. Good shot.
What's up?
They will.
Wait. Do it now, boys. That one hit hard.
Oh.
Ready?
Kill him. Stocking them up, boys.
Single snow from the left. We're down a speck.
That's a snow. We're killing him.
Got this on camera?
Yeah. Do it. Dude, where's...
That was like perfect.
That single did it dirty. Well, guys, finished off the evening with 30 birds tonight. Worked out pretty good. GoPro died, so I didn't get the last bit of the hunt, but we're just going to clean birds now. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for some more snow goose hunts from 780 Outdoors.